Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how Roblox did crash on December. So obviously in December, Dress to Impress had a lot of people playing because we wanted to get the petal dress. So let me just join in Dress to Impress real quick. They also, I think, banned old computers and stuff like that, I think, if I'm not mistaken. And because Dress to Impress had a limited time dress, everybody was on this game. Everybody was on Roblox to get this dress. It was only limited to 3 hours. So everyone was queuing on Roblox. Everybody was just on Roblox at that hour to get the dress. Dress to Impress is actually a really popular game on Roblox. It is one of the most popular, if I'm not mistaken, games on here. What I did before so Roblox didn't crash was I just put everything at my lowest setting before the time to get the dress, so that when I enter the game I won't crash out and stuff like that. If you don't have a really good PC, I do recommend you going to internet cafes. I know people have that. I don't know the time, but sometimes it is a 24-hour thing. But as you can see, if you go here, I did get the petal dress. Thankfully, my PC isn't that bad, so I did get it. So yeah, that is pretty much it really. I suggest you just lowering your settings here to the lowest graphic quality. I know it just looks weird, but you're just there to redeem a code to enter the game and stuff like that. But yeah, that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.